this ran smoothly. I had 0 hiccups. And if you notice, these were slightly more quiet than these. The Winchester made less noise than the AAC rounds. That's what I've noticed. So, these cheap hex mags worked great. I may have to get me some more. After going through all 20 rounds, yes, I only loaded up 20 rounds. After going through all 20, I decided, hey, I'll take the few remainder that are in here that kept jamming and wouldn't feed, and I'd stuff them into in the hex mag. Matter of fact, this is the last